All right, so today we are learning how to make an isosceles triangle and determining what the remaining angles will be. So the question that we have on the board in front of us is try to make an isosceles. Now I know I spelled it incorrectly on the board. Triangle whereby the unique vertex has a measure of 85 degrees. Yes, question?
Never mind.
Okay. Yeah, it is. Isosceles is definitely spelt in a different manner, and I like to right-click and then find the correct spelling like that. So that is our question. Now, with our protractors, we are going to have to make an angle of 85 degrees. So as I do that, I can do it slightly differently with the virtual technique here. I'm going to grab my line it up with the baseline of the protractor, and then I'm going to try and find 85 degrees, which appears to be right about here, and I'm going to draw another line from here through 85 degrees. Now, there's my 85. And at this point, I can remove the protractor completely. Sometimes it bounces back. And I'm going to have to try and make a third line that is the same distance so that this is the same length as this one. I've approximated it here. We'll see how close I was. So we know this angle here is 85 degrees. Now we have to measure the other two, and if they're equal, we've done our job. So I'm going to bring up the protractor, spin it around. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Anyway, and turn it so that I can measure the angle. It appears to be, hard to see there, but about, what would you say, 10, 20, 30, 40, about 48 degrees. And then take this over here, and looks like it's about 48 degrees. So I'm going to open up a text box here, say it appears that the common angle is 45 degrees. Does anyone know how we can check this? Yes, in the front there, please.
You can use 45 degrees plus 45 degrees minus 180 degrees.
Close. Excellent try. And I made a mistake. It was 48 degrees we measured, right? You're on to something. So you are correct that all of the three angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Then I can subtract, I believe what you said was the two angles added together. So I could do 48 plus 48. Or I could do, what's another way of doing 48 plus 48? Yes, in the blue over there. 48 times 2. Now, on the next line, I'm going to write 180 minus, we'll do 48 times 2, which is 96. So we'll do that. 180 minus 96. And we are going to get, in fact, 84 degrees, which is close to our attempt at 85. And considering I just took a line and approximated it by eye, that's a pretty good approximation. But we are, in fact, off by one digit. by one number. How can I change this number to decrease the total by 1? So I've got 48 and 48, but I need 1 less when I make the two combined. Yes, over there, please. In the pink. Yeah, we need a different number. Okay, we want to go the other direction, though. And we don't want to go that much, because we've got 49 and 49. Those will each be 1. We want to just get 1 total. Yes, in the blue here. Okay, but then it's not an isosceles triangle, because then we've got 3 different angles, then it's a scalene triangle. Yes, in the gray over there, please.
48.5.
Good guess, but we're going down. So not 48.5, but, yes? 47.5, very good. 47.5 and 47.5. That will then get us a number of 95, which will then get us a number of 85. So I hope that helps. And now that we've done that, we're going to try again with a different number for the unique angle.